So good morning everyone. Today is 5th of April 2025. So today I am planning to go visit Kyoto and Nara Deer Park and Nara Buddha Temple. So I heard that it is the largest Buddha temple in Japan. So I have my Suka pass. So with the balance of like 1400 yen. So I have to put. So I have to go to Umeda. So from there I can take another train to Kyoto. So I am tapping here my Suga pass. Yeah. Now the balance is 1462. So now I have to go to Umeda. So just I have to check my train like platform 1 or platform 2. So you can see platform 2 is Namba, Umeda, Shinosaka. So I have to go to Umeda. So I have to take platform 2. So that is very easy. So no need to ask anyone. So I think train is there. So I'll just. So this train is ready, going to Shinosaka station. But I have to get down at Umeda station. So only 2 stops from here. So very convenient seats. Yesterday night also I took same train. So this train is very convenient. So only 2 stops. Sorry, it is not 2 stops. It is almost 6 stops. Now I have to get down at Umeda. Umeda is coming now. So from there I have to take another train to Kyoto. So first I will have breakfast at Umeda. I am already feeling hungry. It is 9 o'clock in the morning. So yeah. So then I proceed to Kyoto. So I got down this train at Umeda. So it was 6 stops. Sorry, not 2 stops. 2 stops only Namba. So where I have to go to airport tomorrow. So that is Namba. So this is Umeda. This is 16, M16. So I got into the train at M22. So I have to take this line, Hankyu, you can see. So left side. So this Hankyu Kyoto line, it will go to Kyoto. So this is very clear. So you can see the map here, Umeda station map layout. So you can see right side is Tanimachi line, Yotsubashi line, so Hanshin line. So left side is and right side is JR line to Osaka station, Midosoji South Gate. So and tickets are right side. So you can see Hankyu line. I have to take that, and JR line Osaka station. So this is not. So these are the gates again. So I have to tap my Suka card. So yeah, you can see the balance 1222. So 240 has been deducted from my Suka card. So a ticket from my hotel to this Umeda line. So now I can also see the balance. So I have to search for a restaurant or anything to eat. Then I will go and take train. So I have to buy also ticket because I don't have JR pass now. Yesterday itself it has been expired. So now I have to buy a ticket to Kyoto. So I have to see the map and buy the ticket. So I have to take that Hankyu line. So you can see Hankyu line red train. So see the people how they are going to offices in the morning in Osaka. So in this Umeda metro station. This is very important busy station like Namba, Umeda. So these are the important busy stations in Osaka. So I'm going to buy 1 chips packet, 3 chips packet, fruits. So I am buying this. 1 chips packet, 1 chips, and these fruits, apple and juice and everything for 697. So I have given 5,000 and my change is 4,300. So I bought 2 donuts here. 1 donut is 216 and 1 donut is 248. So it is very nice actually. So they are looking yummy. So I have bought this. So you can see this original donut is 216 and another one is caramel is 248. So you can see Hankyu line. So 2F second floor central entrance. So So there is also express bus, Hangzhou, Sanbangai, but I will take train. So it is faster. It only takes 54 minutes to go to Kyoto. So I have to do entire Kyoto city tour today, and then I have to go to Nara for Deer Park. See, I will show you how to buy a ticket from this automatic ticket machine. So we have to select language English, then select buy a ticket. So it automatically coming important stations. I have to go to Kyoto Kawaramachi. I have to select this, and one adult is 410 yen. So I have to insert coins here. So I have already done it. So when you insert coins, so the ticket will come automatically from this slot. So it is very easy, and it is very no need to depend on anyone. So these automatic ticket vending machines. So you can see how many machines are available. So almost 8 machines. That means these 8 machines are working 24/7 and covering 8 people. So see how much money they are saving. I have used these gates and inserted my ticket and came inside actually into the platforms using my ticket. So I can also use Suka card, but it's fine. I have already bought a ticket, so I use it. For Kyoto, I have to go 1, 2, 3. I have to take this 1, 2, 3 route. So I'm going to Kyoto Kawaramachi. So you can see tracks 1, 2 and 3. So it is clearly mentioned. So 4, 5 it is going to 4, 5 tracks. It is going to Takarazuka, Kawanishi, Nosukushi, Ikeda, Ishibishi, Handai, Suminoho, Mozail also. So I don't know all those cities. They are not famous. At least internationally not famous. Maybe nationally. So I have to take Kawaramachi. So see, Little Express. So one platform 1. So it is coming now. So I have to. I just missed one train. Almost like 20-30 seconds. I was late. So I was checking different platforms and taking the recording video. That's all. So now again I have to wait 10 minutes because this is weekend. So you can see Limited Express because this is fast. So I will take this 9018 train number. So it will come at 9:40. Another one is 9:50. Next 10:10, 10:20. So every 10 minutes train is there. It is a rapid. So this is the platform tracks going to Kyoto from Osaka because they are very big cities. Biggest cities, top comes in top 3. That's why there are several trains running between Kyoto and Osaka. So you can see the tracks. So and people going still it is a weekend, so it is very busy. So this is a train I have to take going to Kyoto Kawaramachi. So the only woman only car, so I should be careful. And there may be first class, so I have to board only second class, economy class. So this is the train Limited Express, means Rapid Express to Kyoto Kawaramachi station. You can see Kyoto Kawaramachi. So you can see Limited Express. That means very limited stops. So it will go very fast. So first passengers are getting down from that door, and after that the doors will close and these doors will open. Then we have to enter into the train. So till that time you have to wait here. Or if they want to clean the train, just say they will clean it and they open the doors for us. So doors are open. See the seats. They're excellent. So I am going to sit here. So let me check if it is forward seat facing or backward facing. So yeah, so see the train. It is very beautiful, even though it is a running between Kyoto and Osaka is around 60 kilometers. So still beautiful. It is the first time I am traveling by local train other than metro and Shinkansen. That is cities trains connecting to different cities. So this is Osaka at Umeda station. So this is not looking less than Tokyo because this is second biggest city in Japan. So definitely it will look like Tokyo.
short.
This is Osaka, south of west of Japan, not south. You can see the flight. You can see the skyline. You can see the another train, same similar train. So you can see the Osaka skyline.
Va a salir Tokio. Y parece. Tengo más onda acá que en realidad, ¿no? Claro. No estoy bueno así.
Igualito.
¿Y pipao?
También igual.
Interesa, pero me veo. Bueno, entonces.
I have a fellow passengers from Argentina, so I will talk to them in Spanish using Google Translator. Just I will ask them how many days they are going to spend in Japan, how they find Japan. Is it Argentina, Buenos Aires is better than Tokyo, or some questions. Not going to Kyoto? You are not going to Kyoto?
No, Kyoto no. Bamboo Forest.
We're going to
Ah,
New York.
oh.
Ashibashara. El Google te indica todos los trenes que puedes tomar. Por más que el que tomamos no es
The train going to Kyoto from Osaka. So there is no gap. So entire stretch is covered by towns. So they're all developed. So I couldn't find anything which is underdeveloped in this route. So even though it is Osaka is 520 kilometers far from Tokyo. So this area is also, this is called West Japan. So this area is also very well developed. So it looks like entire Japan is developed already. Developed in the year 1970s. So that's what 60s and 70s. So that's why we can't see anywhere poverty or slums or poor people. There might be some places in poor people, but they are poor in the Japanese standard, not in Indian standards. So this is very well developed country, because this is number 2, used to be number 2 in GDP. So it's with only 11 crores population, and it is number 2. US is number 1, but it is 33 crores population. The size of the US is 3 times more, not 3 times, maybe 6-7 times more than Japan. So this Japan is still ruling in electronics, semiconductors, cars, automobiles, bikes. So they will rule for next decades. So there is no stoppage for Japan. You can see sakura, blooming flowers.